Got a key fob from a Mazda CX-5 2018. This is how you open it to replace the battery. Go ahead and flip it over. Sliding button right here. Go ahead and slide it to the left. Hold it down. Pull out the emergency key. That unlocks the emergency key. Now once we have that out, we're going to split the remote open. And if we do it down here at the bottom, it does less damage to the remote. Okay, use a small flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and go after this corner right here and just put it in there just like that and give it a little twist. Okay, and then we'll crack that side open. We'll do the same on this side here. Okay, a little twist like that. You'll see how it's opened up. Then we can go in here and pop this guy open like that, and we're going to take this cover off right here. Okay, you just pull it off with your fingernail, and that exposes the battery, and it will just come right out like that. So the battery size is a CR2025, okay, with the positive sign facing out towards us. So stick it here just like that. It should be loose. Let me get the cap, put it back on here. It should seal, okay, like on like that. It doesn't click or anything. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get one. Get the back cover, put it on top, just snap it back on just like that. And you know you did it all right when the remote spare key goes in and locks, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you can hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.